The cost of health insurance is soaring at the moment. In the last year alone, the cost is up €200. But if you go back 2 years, the average premium is now €480 more expensive than it was back in 2023. The worry about this is that a lot of people are either downgrading their cover to cope with the costs or else just giving up health insurance. Plus, there's fewer children with health insurance. So figures out from the Health Insurance Authority, that's the regulator for the sector, show that about 2.52 million people have health insurance in this country. But that hasn't changed in the last while. An extra 7,300 people took out cover in the last 3 months, but as many people as well gave up health insurance as well. So it's because we've had so many increases from the health insurers that people are now beginning to really consider if they can afford something as expensive as health insurance. After all, the average premium now is nearly €2,000. That's a hell of a big bill for an average premium for a household. If you have a couple of adults and a few children, it begins to get very expensive. So it's one to watch. We could see far more people giving up health insurance. For more on this, you can read about it in the Irish Independent or log in to independent.ie.